I guess this is another one, the speed run. After this, I need one more video, then I just gotta post 10 shorts. So, yes. Sorry if I don't usually talk a lot on these now, so sorry about that, guys. I am a little bit tired. Most of my friends did get mod, so yeah. Let's hope I can get it next time, guys. I'm just hoping to get gold. Actually, not just silver content creator. I do kind of like the skin you get. Mimikr died. Here's the water part that sucks.
Bro, I'm on the water part. What's up, frog?
I am a crocodile,
Oh.
but it's okay.
Yeah, underwater it looks like a frog.
That is kind of true. Bruh.
At the end you get 200 coins if you make it to the end by getting all the check marks.
No, you don't. You don't.
Yes, you do. I made it to the end and that happened to me.
I've made it to the end, like 5 or more.
And
you have to try to touch the...
That means that would be 1,000 coins. And I don't have 1,000.
This is so easy. But it's not easy on the other one.
Just try to make it so. I don't know, guys.
I'm good at poker.
No, don't miss, please.
Not good, not good.
Alright, guys, so game name is Animal Blocks. Very fun.
It makes your vibrations, but it feels weird. It's like not laggy, but I don't know how to explain it.
Alright, bye, guys.